Today we're making fried bologna sandwiches. I got about a tablespoon and a half of olive oil heated up here. Pan's nice and hot. It's going to be real easy, real quick. Add your bologna. Turn that heat up a little bit if you don't hear a sizzle. You're going to cook quick. I'm going to score the ends a little bit. It'll help them keep flat a little bit. You're still going to want to pucker up, but it'll help them keep a little flat. They're going to take 2 minutes, that's about it. Okay, that was about 1 minute. I'm going to flip them. Still want to pucker off, but it's alright, it ain't going to make a difference. All going to taste good, it's all going to be fine. About 1 minute on this side, and we're going to be done. Yeah, that's about it. You know, I don't go too crazy. That should do it. Let's plate this up. Okay. I'm using 2 pieces of French baguette. Use whatever kind of bread. Use whatever bread you want. Or you could cut it long ways and then slice it like that to make a little sub sandwich, but I'm going with this. So put some mayo on there. Decent amount. Alright. Then your bologna. So your girlfriend, or make this for your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your husband, your wife on date night, and they're going to be impressed. And it's going to taste good. A little leftover mayo, slap on there. A little more. There it is. Oh, that's mayo. That's it right there. That's a winner. I guess so you make that on date night, and oh, don't forget, put your little thingy-majingy in there. Makes it look cute. And don't forget the chips. Gotta have the chips. And that's it. She'll say, "You made that for me?" And then you'll ruin it and say, "Yeah, it took all of 3-4 minutes. Let's try this." You know that's going to be good. How can that not be good? Wow. Man. Tastes like the best BLT you ever had. Crazy. That's just off the hook. Like, subscribe, love, share. Peace.